Well, good morning, everyone. We are starting our day for Instacart and got my first order, and this will be for 4 units or 4 items, 8 units. Short one, it is for $9. So we will get this started. I'll talk to you when we get this thing done. Well, that was done with the shopping. There's 8 items, and now it's 1.8 miles for 6 minutes. So I will go get this delivered. Okay, that one's been delivered. It's only not very far. Okay, we will head back and see if we can get another one. Well, I'm going to sit here and for a little bit anyway and wait for the next one to show up. Usually I can get out here and they can come, one after the other, but it's not happening today. Got a real late start too. Usually I can get started around 10 o'clock, but it's about 11:30 is when I got started. Yeah, one of the things that I wanted to say was, the other day I was in shopping and one of the checkers was talking to me, and I will only shop Fred Meyer. I mean, that's the only place I go, because I shop for it personally, and then I pretty much know the store. Gotten to know the people inside the store as well, the employees. One of them was telling me that Instacart shopper came through her aisle and she checked her out on her, I guess she had 2 orders. She was doing a 2-order item, and she got done with the first one, but she paid for it with the second person's number, so she had them mixed up. And so they had to have the store manager come over and have to redo all the stuff that she had done. And then come to find out, this was her very first order with Instacart. And, that's one of the things I can say is and don't start out with double orders. Get your feet wet by doing the single orders. And then when you start feeling comfortable with that, especially with the store, then pick up those double orders, but at least try to get started. And so that's what happened the other day when I was in there. But well, I'm gonna just sit here for a bit and wait for another order to come through. So if it doesn't, in about 15 minutes or so, I'll probably just head on home. I only live about a mile and a half from here, so I can go home and sit and then take an order from that. So it's not really hard to do that. Okay, we will talk to you in a bit. I just picked up my second order, and this is going to be 25 items, 32 units, and it's going to be about $20 for this one. So we'll go get this one done, and I'll talk to you when it's over. Okay, I'm 12 minutes away, 5.1 miles. And so here we go. Okay, that order is done, and no new batches available, so we'll head back to the store and wait there for another one. Now that was about a $21 order, so went well. Had another one of those in the store, and somebody was doing a double order and didn't do it right, so I helped him out to get that done. Again, do singles, but I know they're hiring new people and they all want to get started, but it makes it hard for the cashiers too. So okay, enough of that. Let's get back get another order. See you in a bit. We're back at the store, waiting for the next one. So, well, I tell you, that sun's probably shining right in there too. Okay, I'll let you know when I get one, and we'll go from there. And we're gonna go for number 3. Well, we got that picked up, and we're going to be delivering that. It's only 2.8 miles in 7 minutes. So we'll go and get this one delivered. Well, number 3 is now completed. So now it's 2:39. I usually stop around 3 o'clock or 3:30. So I'll see if I can see one more, and we'll see if we can do that. So headed back to the store for a bit, and we'll wait. So we'll see what happens. Okay, I have gotten my last order of the day. It's 3:15, and it'll be 13 items, 27 units, about $12. So we're gonna go get this one done, and then we'll be done. So, okay, here we go. Okay, we are completed, and we are 8 minutes, 3.4 miles from the destination. Okay, we are set to go. 3:46 right now, so here we go. Okay, we're done for the day. I had 4 orders. I got sort of a late start, but that's all right. Let me go through the earnings here for the day. Show you what I've done for the day. Okay, 44.50. Oh no, I've done more than that. 11.55, $56 for the day. There you can see $9, $19.64, $15.91. I still got one pending, and that's the $11.69 that's pending. And this is what I've got for the week so far. So I've got Tuesday and Wednesday. The Monday was for the promotion for the Sunday, and they just gave me the 9 cents because that's where I was at. And so that is where I'm at. 109.65 for the week. Be 11 more, be $120 for the week so far, and we're shooting for 200 this week. So that shows where I'm at. So that's how we've done for the week so far and the day. And so I plan on only doing probably one of these per week, just for the ride along. So we'll talk to you later, and have a good evening.